Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Figma to Webflow plugin. So the Figma to Webflow of course plugin provides a seamless integration between the popular design tool Figma and the website's building platform Webflow. And of course with this plugin, you can easily transfer your designs from Figma to Webflow, saving time and efforts in the web development process. So in this guide, we'll walk you through the steps of using your Figma to Webflow plugin in 2023. So let's just dive right into it and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
So first, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Once you open that browser, make sure to go and of course open your Figma. So go to this URL section, type figma.com and hit the enter button. That will normally take you to the home page or main screen. So make sure to go and log in into your account on this Figma, of course. And once you open your Figma, you'll have to go navigate to the plugin library by clicking on the plugins tab. Then, of course, you'll have to go and download the Webflow plugin or Figma to Webflow plugin and click on install to add it to your Figma WordPress or sorry, workspace. So simply go to this list panel, click on your name at the top right corner, make sure to go then and click on settings. Once you do so, you will normally find yourself here. Click on plugins, then simply click on browse plugins and community. Once you do so, of course, you will have to wait a bit. And as you can see, you will find welcome to Figma community. Explore thousands of free and paid templates, plugins, and UI kits to kickstart your next big idea. So simple as I said, make sure to type here Figma to Webflow and make sure to simply go and hit the enter button. So wait for a bit, and as you can see here on this all products, you can choose the products you want, paid and free, you can choose whatever you want, and make sure to select plugins from here, of course, in this list panel. Of course, if you can choose here free as an example, if you found some free options, that will be great. So simply, you'll have to go and download one of those options. So normally, this is what's going to be the best. Figma to Webflow, HTML, CSS, and website. So simply go and click on try it out. Once you click on it, this will open a new tab for you. So you'll have to go and wait a bit until it's finished here. And as you can see, you will find this here right here. So simply make sure to go and edit the thumbnail if you want to. You can go and edit this however you want. For example, you can even change the zoom from here if you want to. And of course, you'll have to go and prepare basically your Figma design. So ensure that your Figma design is organized and ready for transfer to your Webflow. Of course, you can group elements that belongs to the same page or section, name your layers and components appropriately, and make sure, of course, your design is well structured. Then make sure to go and open the Figma to Webflow plugin from the plugin menu, then connect it to the Webflow button to establish a connection between your Figma account and your Webflow account. Make sure then to follow the prompts to authorize the plugin to access your Webflow projects. And of course, if you don't have a Webflow account, you'll have to go and create one. It's going to be pretty simple. You simply have to go to a new tab, as example, type Webflow, and of course, you'll find yourself at the login screen or at the home screen or main screen. Make sure to go and click on the login account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on get started. It's free. So simply for me, I'm just going to log in into my account. I'm going to log in again with Google because it's pretty simple. It will not take from me any time. And as you can see here, you'll find myself as Webflow. Of course, for you, you'll have to go and create an account if you don't want to, or if you want to go and create or to connect your Figma to Webflow. So of course, if you don't know how to do this example, you can go here to the right corner, go to plugins, and you'll find here Figma to Webflow. And as you can see, you'll have to simply log in into your Webflow here. So simply you can read all of those, go next, 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 and click on next account. This will open a new tab for you. So make sure to go. As you can see, they show me my account on Webflow because I just logged in into my account. For you, you'll have to go and do the same. And of course, here you can go, example, give all the current and future sites, give it a check here and click on authorize app. And you will normally be good to go. So you can see, close this tab and head back to Figma. So simply your account was successfully linked and you're normally good to go. So you can click on let's get started. And as you can see, you will start, of course, doing whatever you want on it. you can always go here and open it from this option, so you do not have to worry about anything. So once you connect your Figma to Webflow, it's time, of course, to select and export some design elements as example. In Figma, you can select the specific design element that you want to transfer to your Webflow. You can even choose some individual layers, groups, as example, or entire frames. So once, of course, you selected everything, you can click on the export button to your in your Figma, of course, to your Webflow plugin panel. Then you can, of course, after exporting the design element, you'll be prompted to the map Figma styles so you can spend in Webflow classes. And of course, these steps ensure that the style defined in Figma are accurately transferred to Webflow. You can even select like the appropriate Webflow class for each Figma style, such as the font size, colors, spacing. And then you can specify the Webflow page and destination. So in the Figma Webflow plugin panel, you can specify everything, of course, from this panel here or from this plugin here. So you don't worry, you will find everything as you can see. So you'll have to go and do through all of this here. It's gonna be simple and easy, so you will not have to worry about anything. And of course, once you specify the page and destination as example, so in the Figma to Webflow plugin, you'll have a panel. You'll have to go and specify the Webflow page and destination where you want to import your Figma designs. You can even create like choose an existing one. Additionally, you can specify whether you want to replace the existing content or append the imported design element in existing account or content source. So let's just choose here something as example like this one. I'm just going to do like random stuff. So for you, you'll have of course to import and review in Webflow. So click on the import button for you, and then you can go and review it. So of course here you'll be able to choose that. Even in structure here, you can choose whatever you want and a lot of other stuff. So of course, as I said, then you will be able to import and review. So you can click on import, then review, of course, Figma to Webflow plugin to initiate the import process. Once this import is completed, you can switch to your Webflow dashboard and navigate to the selected page to review the imported design element and make any necessarily adjustment or fine tuning to ensure the design match your expectations. Of course, with the design elements imported, you can further customize the style and asylum, of course, in Webflow. You can even take advantage of Webflow powerful visual editor to adjust the layout. And of course, you can even add instructions or interactions, apply animations, and fine tune the responsive of your design. Then you can publish and launch your Webflow website as an example if you want to. So that's going to be basically it. So after finalizing your design example, as I said, you'll have to go and ensure everything looks great and functional as intended. Once you're satisfied, you can simply publish it. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations. The Figma to Webflow plugin simplifies the process for you of transferring design from Figma to Webflow, allowing you to bring your vision to the life seamlessly. And of course, by following these steps, you will be able to do everything correctly. So enjoy the benefits of integrating these two powerful tools and create stunning websites with ease. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.